Good morning, children. This is your recap. Parents, kindly write the date mentioned in the daily schedule and the classwork and write it as a recap. When they are learning the numbers, we will also learn before and after numbers. It is only that they are going to learn it. We are going to have a separate class for before and after numbers. We are just going to do it as a recap. They have learned the number 1. After 1, it is number 2. 1 is your standing line, 2 is your left curve and the sleeping line, 3 is your left curve and the left curve. How you write your 2? If you put a sleeping line, it becomes your letter B. So before 2, it is 1. After 2, it is number 3. So for 2 is the number. The before number for 2 will be 1. The after number after 2 will be 3. So teach your child the before number and after number for the given number 2. And we will also draw circles, or they can draw any picture they wanted to, but let them do it by themselves. Draw picture for the given number. So if it is 1, I have given as an easy thing to draw a circle. If you give a curly line or the zigzag lines, it becomes a balloon. If you put a standing line, it becomes a lollipop. If you put the circles, it becomes a flower. So it is up to the child to draw anything for the given number. A balloon, a lollipop or a flower, or just a simple circle. Draw picture for the given number. So this is 1. As I shown you, if they write the zigzag lines, it becomes a balloon. If they write a circle and a standing line, it becomes a lollipop for them. If they want to draw a flower, as they have learned, they can draw. So they can show any of the picture for number 1. A circle, a balloon or a lollipop or a flower. In the same way, they can draw 2 circles or 2 balloons or 2 lollipops or 2 flowers for number 2. And for number 3, they are going to do the same. 1, 2 and 3. They have to count and draw. 1, they are going to draw 1. For 2, they are going to make it as 1 and 2. And for 3, they are going to do it as 1, 2 and 3. This is the recap of the numbers. You can make the notebook in this way. And if you are coming for the next one, introduction of number 3. As you see here, it clearly depicts the number 3. Left curve and the left curve. 2 left curves make the number 3. So kindly write the date as mentioned in the daily schedule and classwork. Trace the left curve and the left curve. Kindly ask them to do the rainbow tracing. Left curve, I have already done with the blue one and I am doing with the red one. Left curve and the left curve. You can take all the crayons and you can do the rainbow tracing. Again, left curve. Hold the crayon tightly, children. And the left curve. They can practice in the notebook. And for the classwork, you have already made it for number 1 and 2. You can make it in the same way for number 3. But here you're going to put 3 dots. 1, 2 and 3. Initially for the child to write it freely in the notebook. They can do rainbow tracing and practice, but still when they're writing in the notebook they may not be getting the proper curve. So this will help them to write it properly. From the top dot to the middle dot, a left curve, and again a left curve. You put the dots with the pen so that when they erase it also, the dots will be there. So this is how it looks. From the top dot to the middle one, the curve line, left curve line and the left curve line. The same left curve which you use for number 2. And if you write a standing line, this becomes the letter B. So left curve and the left curve. Initially you can hold their hand and do it because they are learning the initial numbers, but if the child is doing it on their own, please allow them to do it on their own. And again in the same way, left curve and the left curve. In the same way again, left curve and the left curve. This helps them to do it easily and also boost their confidence. And in the same way, you can do it for homework. Homework same as classwork. You can write the date what it is mentioned in the daily schedule and teach them the number 3. THREE. Children already can identify the letters, so they can learn them orally. ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3. They will learn the before number and after number. They will also learn to draw pictures for the given number. Kindly guide your children. Kindly guide your child parents. I will see you in the next class. Bye-bye.